This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to upload a virtual tour. We're going to assume that you've already got an account, so first of all what you need to do is you need to log in. Once you log in, you get taken to a list of your previously uploaded virtual tours. You'll probably have none here right now, but here's a few that I've uploaded in the past. Either way, you'll see a big button underneath that says click here to upload a virtual tour, or you can use the add tour link on the top right hand corner. Once you've clicked on it, you have a very simple form that you just need to fill in. We're going to upload a virtual tour of a large townhouse called Armstrong Farm. So first of all, let's type in the title. And then let's give it a description. And then if you want to send an email to somebody else, like a third party, when it's been processed, then you can pop in their email address here, and then when it's actually processed and ready, then they'll receive an email with a link to it too. Underneath, we've got some options which you can leave in the defaults for now. And then finally, you've got your virtual tour photos uploader. Here's a folder that I've already prepared with some images in. I suggest that if you have time, you rename all the images to the floor and the name of the room that they're in, because when you drag and drop them onto the uploader, then they automatically get renamed to the file name. So just drag them on, and then they automatically upload. This can take a while depending on the speed of your internet connection. Okay, so now we can see that all the images have been uploaded and that the title for each image has been pre-populated with the file name. That's why it's handy to actually rename the images before you drag and drop them onto the uploader. So now if we click on save, we can see that we've now actually added our first virtual tour and it's processing. And this tour will probably take about 5 to 10 minutes, and once it's been processed, you should receive an email with a link to it. Okay, so as you can see, the tour has finished processing and we've received an email, and the email which you receive should look something like this, where it has a link to the actual tour itself for your property portal and also a link to the page which is just behind this email here. If we scroll down, we can also see that we've got our iframe embed code for your property portals. We've also got the link to add hotspots and navigation, and you can also see all of the scenes which have just been uploaded. And that's it. That's how to upload a virtual tour. Thank you for watching.